Funnanim faluye malitundula malitundula ndabalitundula Afunnanim faluye malitundula malitundula ndabalitundula Kole atale, ula le diminda ye. Vali dentula, nje vali dentula.
Shikamo, greetings from Tanzania, Dar es Salaam. So as you always know, whenever I visit a place, I have to explore beyond the cities. I want to interact with the locals to know their way of life and all that. So today we are going outside the city. I hope that's not too loud. So today we're going outside the city. We are at this petrol station. So we are here and we are trying to get everything right with the car, you know. We need to do some wheel alignment before we go. So I'm with my friend that you're going to be meeting in a few. So let's do this. Let's go.
This is Kashata and this one is Ufuta.
Ufuta. This is Kashata and then Ufuta is Simsim. So I'm told this is called Mbagala Road. If you've ever heard that Diamond Platinum song, that is okay to Mbagala. So this is the road that leads to Mbagala. Where else does it lead to? Mozambique, you said?
It leads to Mozambique, South Africa, Lesotho.
Okay, so if you are going to South Africa, if you're doing a road trip, when you get to Dar es Salaam, this is the road, or this is the road you'll take to Mozambique.
Funnanim faluye malitundula malitundula ndabalitundula Afunnanim faluye malitundula ndabalitundula Kole atale, ula le diminda ye. Vali dentula, nje vali dentula. Avanani vali ye, vali dentula, nje vali dentula ye.
So we are now stopping over. We're going to have some brunch. So this place is known as Mwandege and we are stopping for brunch. Come with us. This has to be one of my favorite drives ever, you know? No skyscrapers, no buildings, no people, just you surrounded by greenery. This is very therapeutic for me. What do you think? Do you like such drives? Just the greenery, the road, and just you? Well, so we just got stopped by cops back there, but it was so smooth. Oh my goodness, I can't remember a time in Kenya when I got stopped by cops and get out without them just wanting to get some money out of me. So this time around they said we were overtaking, and overtaking is not allowed, but then that was not the case. We were tulikuwa tunakwepa bajaj. Kukwepa in English is what? We were just like, it was a motorbike. Of course, you know, motorbike tuk-tuk, they are slow. So actually it was a tuk-tuk that's attached to look like a motorbike attached to look like a tuk-tuk. So we were just, you know, bypassing it because it's too slow. And yeah, they just let us go smoothly. I don't know if how that would have ended up if I was in Kenya. For real, I just hate every moment I'm being stopped by traffic cops in Kenya. Your approach was good. So if it was not good, then like, what do you mean by a good approach? Because all the time when they say, even when they accuse me of something I've not done, I just tell them I'm sorry. Like they never want to listen to explanation. Like all the time when I try, they are like, oh, we are here and we are here for this. They don't want to listen to anything. They just say, get out. The first thing they would have asked is your passport, and then probably got into the car and told you, let's drive to the police station. So they try to use that moment to try and get some bribe, you know? Yeah. So we are finally here in Mukangani.
Mkuranga.
We're finally here in Mkuranga. So I'll see you in a few. Let's just get to know the people first before we, you know, getting cameras on people's faces is not good.
A few moments later.
So I'm out here enjoying the fresh air away from the polluted cities, and My goodness, this place is so nice, so simple, so relaxed, more like most villages across Africa. I've not been everywhere in Africa, but I'll be taking you along. Remember, 21 countries in 2021, so right now we left with 20 countries. So we're going to be cooking, and come along with me. But first, let me show you how this place looks like. Say hi.
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you. So what are we cooking today?
We're having the
You can say it in Kiswahili.
choroko
Choroko
with nazi.
with nazi.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's choroko. In Kenya, we call it dengu, but I'm told here dengu is something different. So dengu is green grams, and she's put coconut. It's coconut milk.
Yeah, milk, coconut milk.
Yeah, coconut milk, and you got something very interesting. So this is what they have. This is the dengu. If you know dengu, this is what we call dengu in Kenya. So how do we call this?
This is we call njugumawe.
So this is njugumawe. I think we call it chickpeas or pigeon peas. Let me know, how do you call this in your mother tongue? So in Kiswahili it's njugumawe.
Njugumawe.
Yeah. Then we have this. This is actually what we are cooking. This is called we call it dengu in Kenya.
In Tanzania we call choroko.
Choroko.
Yeah. Okay,
they call it choroko. I think we call it dengu. Let me know, isn't this dengu? Kenyans for Kenya. See, this is dengu. That's what we are cooking right there.
Yeah.
Then we have this. They call it makande. So makande is maize. Why do you cut it?
Because it make easy to come like a.
So is
makande.
Oh, do you have like githeri? Do you have githeri?
Yeah, the githeri. In Tanzania we don't use githeri. We only use makande.
So apparently this is what they use. They take maize and split it. That's how it looks. It's like maize. They take it to a grinder. They grind it.
Yeah.
And then that's what they use to make githeri.
Yeah.
But in Kenya we use the full ones.
But that's we call kande after we make it.
Oh, you call it kande? Okay, so we are here waiting for our food to be ready before we can go to the farm and eat fast.
Yeah.
Our lunch is ready. Yeah. So we are going to be having rice with what's this? Cabbage and choroko. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. In the next episode, I'll give you a crazy farm tour and lots of adventures that I just don't want to preempt right now with her mother and sister. So hit the like button, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. And until next time, kwaheri. I love you. She says that's a place for witch doctor. Yeah, that's a place for witch doctor.